So now let's start self practice 14D. Before starting you should know some formula. Before starting you should know some formula for the self practice 14D. So first one is area of triangle. Area of triangle that is equal to half into base into height. What is the area of triangle here? Half into base into height. Now there are, or if you want to find base, so what you will do? 2 into area of triangle upon height. If you have to find base, so 2 into area of triangle upon height, and if you have to find height, so what you will do? 2 into area upon base. Again, 2 into area upon base. This will be your formula. And the last formula, area of equilateral triangle. What is equilateral triangle? In which all the three sides are equal. Area of equilateral triangle that is equal to root 3 by 4 a square. What is the area of equilateral triangle? Root 3 by 4 a square. Now let's start with the exercise. Okay, so what is your first exercise? In the question number 1, you have to complete the table for a triangle. All measurements are in centimeter square. Okay, all measures are in centimeter square. So question number 1, A part, you are having base as 6 and height as 4. Now you have got base and height. What you have to find here? You have to find the area. What is area? Half into base into height, that is half into 6 into 4. Now 2 2s are 4. 6 2s are 12 centimeter square. So what will be the area of this figure? First one, that you will get it as 12 centimeter square. Okay. Half into base into height. So half and base is 6 and height is 4. So you know that 2 2s are 4, 6 2s are 12. What will be the area of it? It will be 12 centimeter square. Same way, see the B part. Base is given as 10 and height is given as 6.8. What will be the area? Half into base into height, that is half into 10 into 6.8. So 2 3.4, which is equal to 34 centimeter square. What will be the area here? Half into base into height. So half into 10 into 6.8, that is equal to 34 centimeter square. This will be the area of this figure. Now next one, C1. You have got base as 7, height is 4, and what will be the area? Half into 7 into 4, that is 2 2s are, so 14, 7 2s are 14 centimeter square. What will be the area here? It will be 14 centimeter square. Now here you have got base as 8, height is not given, area is given as 40 centimeter, and what is height? 2 into area upon base, so that is 2 into 40 upon 8, so 2 5s are 10. What you will get it as? 10 centimeter. Now see the E part of it. 54. So what will be your base here? 2 into area upon height, which is equal to 2 into 54 upon 9, and 9 6 are 6 2s are 12 centimeter. So here what will be the base? 12 centimeter. Okay, same way see the C part of it. Base is given as 13 and height is not given. This is your F part, sorry. Height is not given and area is given as 58.5. 58.5. So what will be your height here? 2 into 58.5 upon 13. Okay, 2 into 58.5 upon 13. Now you multiply this. 117 upon 13, which is equal to 9 centimeter. Okay, 117 upon 13, which is equal to 9 centimeter. So here what will be the height? 9 centimeter. Now see the G part of it. Base is not given, height is given. How much? 15, and area is given as 135. So what will be your base here? 2 into area upon height, that is 2 into 135 upon 15. 15 9s are. So 9 2s are 18 centimeter. So what will be the height here? 9 in 15 9s are 135 and 9 2s are 18. 18 centimeter will be your height here. Now let's start question number 2. Find in square meter the area of rectangle whose base is given and altitude and both are given in centimeter, but you have to find in meter square. So for this what you will do? Firstly you will convert centimeter to meter, and after converting centimeter to meter then you will solve. Okay, now let's see second A part. Base is 8 centimeter, it means 0.08 meter. Height is how much? 6 centimeter, which will be equal to 0.06 meter. Now what you have to find? Area. What will be the area of triangle? Half into base into height, which is equal to half into 0.08 into 0.06 to 0.04 meter square. So what will be your answer? 0.0024 meter square. Okay, this much height, this much area you will get. Now same way see the B part. See the B part. Base is given as 38,000 mm. Mm means millimeter, which will be, you have to convert this also into centimeter. So for that you will divide by 1000. So you will get it as 38 meter. Now height 4500 millimeter. So what you will get? 4.5 meter. What will be the area? Half into base into height, तो 19 5 is 95, carry 9, 19 4 is 76, and 76 plus 9 84. So you will get it as
76.
84.5 meter square. So what will be your answer? 84.5 meter square. What is the condition here? Here both the parts you have to convert it into meter and then you have to solve. Okay? Here both the parts you have to convert into meter and then you have to solve. So for that condition you will see I converted firstly in meter and then I have solved. Okay students? Here you see firstly base is 38,000 mm. So you have done 38,000. So you divided by 1000, so you got 38 meter. 4500 is in millimeter. You divide by 1000, you got 4.5 meter. Then area is half into base into height. That is half into 38 into 4.5. After that you will get it as 85.5 meter square. Now let's see question number 3. Okay. Find the area of shaded portion in each of the following figure measuring in centimeter. Now see here, this your figure is given. This is given 25, 18 and 30. Okay beta, this is your figure is there. Now what you have to do it here, I am drawing one dotted line here. Okay, when I am drawing a dotted line, so what is there? This part will be 18 only. From here to here it is 25. What will be this one? It will be 5 centimeter. Will it be? Now I am taking it A, B, C, D, E. Now do you got area of triangle ABC? So what you will have? Half into base into height, that is half into 5 into 18. Here BC you will think it as a height. Okay. So 2 9s are 9 5s are 45 centimeter square. Now area of rectangle. So B, C, D, E, that is length into breadth, 25 into 18. 25 8s are 200, 25 1s are 25 and plus 20, 45. 450 centimeter square. Okay. Now what will be the total area? Total area is equal to 450 plus 45, which is equal to 495 centimeter square. Okay. What will be the total area? 495 centimeter square. Let's do the B part of it. Now see here, in this one B part of it, from here to here it is 15 centimeter and from here to here it is 15 centimeter. In this base part this is 6 and in middle one it is 11 and at the top also it will be 11. Now I am naming it A, B, C, D, E, F. Now area of base 6 into 15. So 2 3s are 15 3s are 45 centimeter square. Now area of triangle BEF, it is equal to half into 6 into 15. 2 3s are 15 3s are 45 centimeter square. Now area of rectangle is equal to area of rectangle ABDE, which is equal to length into breadth means 15 into 11. 11 5 is 55, 11 1 is 11, 1 12. 11 1 is 11 plus 5 6 centimeter square, 165 centimeter square. Now what will be the total area? That is equal to 45 plus 45 plus 165. So 5 10 15 carry 1, 9 plus 4 13 and 13 plus 6 19. Carry 1, 295 centimeter square. So what will be the total area? 4 5 5 4 9 and 9 plus 6 5. 255 centimeter square. So what will be the total area of the figure? That is 255 centimeter square. Now let's start 14 the third C part. Okay. Now see the figure. See the figure, it is being made like this, and you may see it here. This is 15 given, this inside part is 9 given, and this is 11 given. It is given like this. Now when from here to here it is 15, then what will be this length? It will be 6, because 9 plus 6 15 centimeter. Now I am drawing a dotted line here, means I am separating this part, this and this. Means total how many parts are there? 4 parts are there. Okay. Now what will be the length of this part? It will be 5.5, and here also 5.5, as it is cutting from the middle. Now it is cutting it from the middle. So when it is cutting from the middle, so this will be 5.5, this will be 5.5, from here to here it is 6, and here total it is 11. Now, third C part. Now name it A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Now I am taking total area of rectangle A, B, C, E. Okay. A, B, C, E, you are getting one rectangle. In that, what is your length? 11. And what is your height, means breadth? That is 9. 11 9s are 99 centimeter square. So you got the area of this upper rectangle. Now below 2 triangles are being formed. So individually we will form the area. The area of triangle CDF, which is equal to half into 6 into 5.5. So 2 3s are 3 5s are 15, 3 5s are 15 and 16.5 centimeter square. Now next, area of triangle DEG, that 99 plus 16.5 plus 16.5, that is equal to 132 centimeter square. What it will be total equal to? 132 centimeter square. So this is the area of the figure. Okay. Now let's start D part of it. Okay, third D. In third D part, you see your figure is like this. Okay, this is your figure. From here to here and here to here, this is given 15, this is given 15, and this is given 10. Okay, and it is given this and this are equal. Now we just name it A, B, C, D, E. The area of triangle ABC, that is half into 10 into 15, means half into base into height. 2 5s are, so 15 5s are 75 centimeter square. Now area of triangle CDE, that is also half into base into height. 2 5s are, 15 5s are 75 centimeter square. Now what will be the total area? 75 plus 75, that is 150 centimeter square. Okay, what is the total area here? 150 centimeter square. Firstly you will find area of triangle ABC, then you will find area of triangle CDE, and after that you will add both the triangle. So how much you are getting it here? You are getting 150 centimeter square. Now see the E part of it. Here the figure is drawn like this. Six, 6, and this one is 10, and here it is 28. Now what will be the total length? This 6 plus 6 plus 6. Total how much it will come? 18. Okay, 6 plus 6 12, and 12 plus 6 18. Now I am dividing it, this part and this one. Sorry, you will find A, B, C area, then D, E, F and G area. Okay. Now area of triangle ABC, that is equal to half into 18 into 10. So you will have 5s are 18 5s are 90 centimeter square. Okay. Then area of rectangle DEFG, that is equal to 28 into 6. Okay, total 28 is the length given and 6. So 8 6 are 48, carry 4 6 2 are 12, 12 plus 4 16, 168 centimeter square. Now what will be the total area? That is equal to 90 plus 168, 8 9 6, 258 centimeter square. So what will be the total area of the figure? That is 258 centimeter square. Firstly you will find area of triangle ABC, that is half into base into height. Secondly you will find area of triangle, that is DEFG, that is 28 into 6, that is 168 centimeter square. Then at last you will find total area, that is 90 plus 168, that is 258 centimeter square. Okay?
Yes, Miss, done.
Now last part of it, that is the F part. The figure is being drawn like this. Okay? This is given as 16, 5, 13, 2.5. So what will be this length? So length from here to here will be how much? 16 minus 2.5 means it will be 13.5. Okay? 16 minus 2.5, that is 13.5. And what will be this length? 8. Because 8 plus 5, 13. 8 plus 5, 13. Now name it A, B, C, D, E, F. Now area of triangle ABC is equal to half into 8 into 13.5, 2 fours are. Okay? So that will be 54 centimeter square. Then area of rectangle BDEF, that is 13 into 2.5. Okay? 13 into 2.5. That will be 33.5 centimeter square. Or
This 32.5.
32.5 centimeter square. And now what will be the total area? 54 plus 32.5, 86.5 centimeter square. The total area of the figure will be 86.5 centimeter square. So what you have to do? Firstly, you will find area of triangle ABC, that is half into 8 into 13.5. That will be equal to 54 centimeter square. Secondly, you will find area of rectangle BDEF, that you will get it as 32.5, and after adding both total area you will get 86.5 centimeter square. Now let's do question number 4. Okay, the area of a triangle is equal to that of a square of side length 40 centimeter. Find the side of a triangle whose corresponding altitude is 64 centimeter. So what you have to find in this? You have to find the altitude side of a triangle. Find the side of the triangle whose corresponding altitude is 64 centimeter. So you see now, area of square will be how much? 40 into 40, that is 1600 centimeter square. Now area of square is equal to area of triangle. Now the area of triangle is equal to half into base into altitude, and altitude तो h is given, base will be how much? 2 into 1600 upon 64. Okay, 2 into 1600 upon 64. Now 1600s are 16 4s are 4 25s are 25 2s are 50 centimeter. So what is one side of the triangle? That is 50 centimeter. equal to 50 centimeter. Okay, what is given? It is given in question that area of a square is equal to area of triangle. So both you will get it as 1600 centimeter square. So now area of triangle is, you know that now you what have to find base. So half into base into height. The base will be how much? 2 into 1600 upon 64, that will be equal to 50 centimeter. Okay, that will be equal to 50 centimeter. Now let's see the last question of this chapter, this exercise. Question number 5. What is given? A rectangular field is 28 meter long and 18 meter wide. Okay, a rectangular field is 28 meter long and 18 meter wide. How many triangular flower bed, each of base 7 meter altitude and 6 meter, can be laid on the field? What is given? Flower bed is being laid on the rectangular field. So how many flower beds can be made there? So firstly we will find area of rectangular field. Area of rectangular field, that is 28 into 18, that is equal to 504 meter square. Okay, that is equal to 504 meter square. Now next one, area of triangular flower bed. As it is triangle, so half into 7 into 6. Now, because base is 7 and height is 6 meter given. So you will have 21 meter square. Now, third part, number of flower bed. So what you will do? You will divide by area of rectangular field upon area of one flower bed. That you will get it as 24. So how many flower bed can be made with it? 24 flower beds can be made with
flower
this.
beds.
Okay, students. Now this is the end of your self practice 14D.